gave everything for someone to meet her in her storm. But the dual throne stays cold for the ones who do not embrace the story main tales of old. She roosts on covered lands. She signed her name in silent pain. The reign of the Black Cloud Queen is non-stop rain. When the Phoenix said knock to the dual throne, she found herself ruling Sonaria alone. A dark palace of echoes, halls gone still. A raging storm she couldn't kill. She pleaded the sky to bring him back. She drinks by the second throne, but then the thunder cracks. She poured another drink to numb the night, but the black clouds also stole the morning light. Black clouds wear Hera's black iron crown. Her grief consumes Sonaria skies with thunder sound. She paints her eyes again. She begins to scream, living alone, trapped inside her broken dreams. Hera's pain feeds the darkened skies. Sonaria cries through her rain-laced eyes. She's ruled by her storms. She's losing her internal war until the Black Cloud Queen becomes the queen of tragic horror. They never wanted your healing. They wanted your ruin to crown their meaning. Make them feel what they left in you. Hera woke to the sound of her own scream. Mother Sonaris whispers became her inner voice, became dark and dream. Let them kneel, let them know. Mother Sonaris voice coiled tight, you beg for peace. Now give them endless night. Hera's tragic horror mask, forced from shattered vows. Her mask glowing eyes watch from the thunder clouds. She counts the ones who made her drown.
I never feared your power, just the pain you never faced. You could have flown beside me, but now your storms rule this place. This isn't the girl I met in the stars. I still see her behind your battle scars.
Era conjured black cyclones and said, you left me in the pouring rain. You let me decay. Now you dare to rise like a phoenix, while pain rules my nights and days. This power's mine, I'll make them see. If I can't be free, then drown in my storms with me. Phoenix flames spiral up the storm-split sky. Thunderclouds crack open as the Emperor flies. Mirrors duel where the suppressed cosmic magic turns black. Her lightning knocks his phoenix glider from the sky. Her vengeful story stands back, burned at its wounded bottle alive. Says I see behind the mask, I see what it hides. The firestorm will continue in destiny's decline, until the queen of tragic horror fully faces herself for the first time. Guy says to Era, you don't have to drown it all. You don't have to prove your pain. Not with destruction. Not with this rain. I see you, even now. Not as a tragic horror, not as ruin, but as someone worthy of being chosen by herself.
And in the winds of her black iron crown, the queen of tragic horror lays it down. She says farewell to Guy and walks forward alone. No cheers, no throne, to check herself in and face the unknown. She left her crown where Guy's phoenix glider fell. Walked from her storm into a padded cell. Checked herself in, no cards, no plea, just a whisper. This time, it's gotta be mine.
Queen Mir sits on Era's throne, wearing a great tragedy mask, suppressing Sonaria's cosmic magic, Queen Mir's priority task. Era sits quietly on the facility floor, the queen of psychological thriller, locked behind the grayscale door. And from the shadows, Mother Solmora watches, waiting for the next era to bloom.